Want to make money online without moving a muscle? You've come to the right place. Let's explore the laziest ways to get paid from the comfort of your bed. Design something once, like a planner, a coloring book, or some cute digital stickers, upload to Etsy, and boom! Passive income every time someone buys. Got a phone? Take pics of your coffee, your cat, your messy desk. Upload to stock photo sites. Somebody, somewhere might pay for that aesthetic chaos. Answer a few questions, click some buttons, and earn a couple of bucks. Not a fortune, but hey, it's money. Super swag bucks, inbox dollars, honey gain. Get paid for your unused internet. Design funny t-shirts, mugs, or even socks. Upload to Redbubble or Teespring, and they do the rest. You nap Super Canva plus Pod platforms. Recommend stuff you already use. Slap that affiliate link in your bio, description, or tweet. If someone clicks and buys, you get paid. Super Amazon Associates, Partner Stack, Share a Sale. Look, none of this will make you rich overnight. But if you're chillin' anyway, why not make the internet work for you? Now go. Be lazy, but make that money. Visual. End screen. Subscribe for more lazy hacks. Or don't. That's pretty lazy too.